Think about, our client see an increase in the 4 to 6 month about 75 to 150 points on their credit score. Think about today, if you're sitting at 580 and you get 70 to 150 credit improvement.
You're up to 720. Yeah.
So just have an idea that statistically speaking, that's where we've seen with somebody in the 4 to 6 month program with us. I used to work in the car business, and there, my day-to-day life there, I saw people that were struggling to finance a vehicle, or not necessarily paying for it, but credit was an obstacle. Then I moved into the banking. Guess what I found? Same issue, credit issue. So I'm like, I have to be able to help these people, but there was nobody like us, right? That were there available to advocate for them, to help them. Obviously, me being the corporate structure, there was a lot of compliance issues, in the corporate world. So I had to literally move myself out of corporate hierarchy and just be on my own to be able to link with the local leader like yourself to be able to bring this knowledge. That's why I got the book there, because it's a beginner friendly. It's not a book with a lot of financial lingo that people won't understand,
I've never met anyone who's so passionate and so knowledgeable and knows how to work that system and advocate for people on their behalf like Arthur and his team. And Arthur is so dialed in. I mean, he wrote a book, Unlocking Your Credit. Great read, I recommend it. There's so many myths on credit. People just don't understand. To do anything in life, if your credit is just a disaster, it just creates all these roadblocks and obstacles. So what does your team do? So like if one of our clients was gonna work with you guys, what do you guys do?
Our clientele is almost 90% referral only, because we want to make sure it's someone that we either help their parents, their friends, their co-worker, or they partner with someone like you, right? And they came from somebody, because first thing we want to see if it's someone that we will be able to help, right?
Yeah.
So we analyze their credit report, either the one that your team pulled from the mortgage side or the one that we pull internally, be able to see where they're stuck on their credit profile. Do they need to build credit? Do they need to repair? Or simply they need education? There's a study done by FTC and Consumer Protection Bureau a few years back that 79% of consumer credit report contains zero. So that means out of every 10 items on your credit report, 79 of them, 7 of them to 8 is wrongly reported.
So we partnered with Arthur and his team to help you guys grow and meet your goals in life. If you're ready, click that link. It'll connect you with his team. We can get the ball rolling there. And also make sure you click that other link with the book. Buy Arthur's book. It's awesome. I promise you, it will educate you. It will open your eyes in such a way that no one else could explain it.